Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to thank y'all. Recently we have reached 2,900 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you my friends for watching and enjoying my down-home Southern recipes and Southern hospitality. Pretty soon we'll be at 3,000 subscribers. Let the cooking and baking continue. Well, to celebrate, I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my favorite Southern pound cakes, 7-Up pound cake. But instead of using regular 7-Up, how does cherry 7-Up pound cake sound? Oh, yes, Lord. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a cherry 7-Up pound cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And it's going to be full of cherry and lemon lime flavor. And we're going to top it with a cherry glaze that's sure to make your mouth water. Oh! I'm going to enjoy this pound cake. Love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my regular 7-Up pound cake recipe, also my pound cake recipes playlist, and my previous video, bananas frosted French toast. I'll post links to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your bundt pan, your maraschino cherries, and your cherry 7-Up sugar, because we're about to bake some cherry 7-Up pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure up our cherry 7-Up. We need 1 cup. Perfect. And my cherry 7-Up is at room temperature. Now we can get started on the cake. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature, and a half a cup of butter flavor shortening. And into our butter and shortening, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Remember, we need lots of sugar when making a pound cake. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 5 extra large eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. Alright, last egg. And mix until they're well incorporated. Alrighty my friends, now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of chopped maraschino cherries, 1/4 cup of the maraschino cherry juice, the zest of a large lemon and lime. Going to give our cake an extra lemon lime flavor, along with the juice of the lemon and lime. 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure lime extract. And again, we're going to continue mixing until everything is well incorporated. Alright my friends, so now time for the final step. Over here in my bowl, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour that I sifted, or you can whisk it. And we're going to alternate add the flour with the cherry 7-Up, beginning and ending with flour. right, last of the flour. Gonna mix everything together until it's well combined. All right, my friends, our cake batter is complete. Smooth and whipped and luscious. This is what it looks like. I love the smell of cherry. And I can smell the extracts, the almond, lemon, and lime. Almond extract is amazing with cherry. Beautiful red batter. And you can see the specks of cherries. All right, perfect. Now we're ready to pour our cake batter into our bundt pan. We're going to pour it in a 10-inch bundt pan that I greased with baking spray. All right, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. So now we're ready to put this pound cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've taken my pound cake out of the oven. It smells heavenly. It's nice and golden brown. So now we're going to let the cake cool for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put it onto my cake platter, let it cool completely. And while this is cooling, we're going to get started on our cherry glaze. In my measuring cup, I have 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar that I sifted. And in 2-hour powdered sugar, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of cherry 7-Up and 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And mix all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our cherry glaze is complete. And I forgot to mention, I added a teaspoon of the maraschino cherry juice. And look at that beautiful red color. Alrighty, so now it's time to give our pound cake some sugar. Just drizzle the glaze right onto the cake. This looks so good. I love the smell of cherry. All right, my friends, there you have it. Cherry 7-Up pound cake. Doesn't that look good? And the glaze nice and hardened. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with a lemon and lime wedge and the maraschino cherry. Look how pretty that looks. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. It's tender and moist. I can taste the cherry 7-Up and the cherries. I can taste the lemon and lime. Oh, this is bursting with flavor. This pound cake is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cherry 7-Up pound cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook, along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.